Can you turn a pattern from a real object into a 3D printed texture mat? In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it using free Blender. First, I took a photo of this really nice tile pattern. Then I uploaded it into ChatGPT. You can also use Gemini or another AI tool with a simple prompt. Turn this photo into a clean black and white PNG texture, at least 8000 pixels in resolution. Once the texture is ready, I downloaded it and open Blender. Just completely free 3D software. After opening Blender, we delete the cube and we delete the perspective camera. Then we go here to scene unit and I change its unit scale to 0.001 and length millimeters. Of course, you can change it to your own unit system. Then I go with Shift and A, Mesh, and I choose Grid. I click here, Add Grid, and then X subdivisions 240 and Y 240, size let's stick maybe to 10 centimeters, so 100 millimeters in my case. I click Enter. Perfect. Then let's go to Edit mode here. Let's press E for extrusion and let's go up a little bit. Perfect. Then we change it to this face mode, the third icon here. So now the face should be selected as here. You don't click anything, you go to data properties, this green icon here. We click plus and then we click assign. And the group has been assigned to this part, the orange one. Perfect. Then we go to modifier section here. We click add modifier and we search for displace. Okay, then you click coordinates UV map, and vertex group, you choose group here. Let's go with bigger strength, plus or minus, you can just go with it and you can just go back to it in a minute. So just don't click apply for now, don't do it, just stick with this. Then you go to this texture properties that should appear. This is this checkerboard icon. Then you click new, open, and you search for your PNG file with the texture. Okay, it should appear here. Then let's click UV editing, this icon here, UV editing. Let's click this icon of an image and choose our file here from the list. Yeah, perfect. Then we click with the mouse wherever, and again we click A, S for scale, and we can make it smaller, we can adjust it to our preferences. So the texture that is going to appear here on the texture mat is going to have the area of the orange box from this mapping. Thanks for watching so far. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. So you can scale it, you can press S, or you can press S and X, for instance, to scale it in this direction. And you can press S and Y to scale it in this direction. And you can move it with the G, all right, as well. So G and X, you move it like here. G and Y, you move it like here. Yeah, I will leave it like this. Then we go to object mode, and you can see that our texture has been successfully applied. Okay, so it looks like this. What we need to do now is right click on the mouse, shade smooth. Perfect. And now let's make it look a little bit better. So you go to this modifiers section, you click add modifier and you search for multi-resolution, and you click here subdivide once and maybe twice for better results, for better resolution, and you click apply. All right, now you can see that it looks really smooth. And here you can use the strength to make your stamp effect sticking out more or less, depending on the emboss or deboss effect that you want to achieve. You go with plus or you go with a minus, depending on your preferences. If it's okay for you, if you think it's all good, you can just leave it like this. Okay, and one last tip. In object mode, we click your texture matte here, and then you go to edit mode, click A, then you go to mesh, clean up, you click merge by distance, and you go with mesh, normals, recalculate outside, you click this one and inside as well. This is just to fix some geometry problems with your model. And you go to File, Export, STL, and you are exporting it to your 3D printer, and you can 3D print it. Thank you very much for this express tutorial. I think this is the quickest method of doing such a texture matte in Blender from any photo that you want. Of course, we used it with the some chat GPT help, but you can also buy the textures, you can also make your own textures, and this is just to show you the whole process. Thank you very much for this tutorial. I hope you like it. If so, please leave a like, leave a comment. I would be very grateful. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.